Hello, I'm Dr. Nick Campos of the West Hollywood Healing Arts Center. Welcome to my Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, and West Hollywood chiropractic offices. I'm here with my daughter Delilah. Hi Delilah. I'm going to demonstrate today a child's adjustment. So you might wonder why we need to adjust children. We don't usually adjust children for the same reasons we adjust adults. We don't usually adjust them for pain. What we're doing with children is we're adjusting them to make sure that everything is operating at its most optimal level. So primarily the nervous system, but also the joints and the skeletal system. It's great for their growth. It's great for their health. I've been adjusting my daughter Delilah since her first day out of the womb, actually her first hour out of the womb. And I'm going to show you how we do that today. You ready for your adjustment? Let's do it. So start here and here. Very good. And here. And if you'll come look at this, you can see her left leg is a little shorter. And here. So her pelvis needs a little adjustment. And we're going to come in here. Very good. And just lightly. Good. 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 Perfect. Next. Good. 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 You doing okay? Good. Now on your back. And here. You are such a good patient. You are such a good patient. Okay. Straighten your legs. Very good. Delilah's 3.5. And we're going to bring you here. You okay? Now I'm going to bring your head over here. Good. And just let her relax. That's it. And good. One more. Good. How's that? Good job. Come on up. Say bye. I'm Dr. Nick Campos. You can find me at www.drnickcampos.com. That's www.drnickcampos.com. High five.